At KOR, we're always listening to customer feedback and developing innovative new products to meet real operational needs.
One of the new products we're coming out with this year is a soft case. This case actually contains a KOR system inside it, which fits inside your hard case. And as soon as you get to an FOB or an operation, you can take the soft case out. It includes a double panel inside and this simple valve access to control the vacuum from outside the case. We always try and integrate the latest and greatest in technology and materials. We're constantly striving to innovate. This molle is a new woven molle that we're going to integrate into the system. It's super lightweight and durable. Again, everything's very compliant and made in the USA.
Some units we listened to desperately needed a fully waterproof solution, so we responded.
So this is a fully waterproof dry bag for jungle and maritime ops. Not only does it hold a double panel inside to protect your assets, it can be used as a litter in a pinch. It can also be used as a sleeping pad to give you some insulation off of cold or damp ground. The exterior rolls into itself so you can shove it in your ruck. We left the back slick. That way, if you're using it as a drag bag or need to tie it down, you don't have any points that it can catch on. Just for our team, for fun, to prove how big or how long we can make KOR, we created a surfboard bag. And this thing is 7.5 feet tall and 28 inches wide. We shipped a brand new board overnight from California to Arizona, and not a single part of the board was damaged. As you can tell, this thing's still solid, and we use the highest grade materials possible to make sure your assets are protected in transit.
That is KOR. Watch the next video in this series, or watch the main demo for the full walkthrough, and click to subscribe.